I had to get this car ready because it's just sitting here. So I decided to put it up for sale. That's when I noticed it had a flat. Normally I would have to take the tire off and take it to the gas station to put air in. But I ordered this portable air compressor from the TikTok shop. It has a mode for cars, bikes, motorcycles, and even balls. It goes up to 150 psi, so you can pretty much use it for most inflatables. It also has these attachments that come with it. So I set it at 35, attach this little thing right here, and boom, it cuts off once it reaches the desired air. If you don't want to have to take your tire off and air it up at the gas station, grab one from the cart below.